how was that possible? I have 4 simple S's, well, sorry, not S's, S's, right? The shape of S, that I want to share with you. Very simple rule. This one is, I call it Simple Rules of Success, which is the first step of my book. My book has 6 steps, but I'm only going to share first step and then something else. We talk about simple rules of success, as I mentioned earlier on. It's all about self, right? How many of us always sit there and wait for somebody else to come and help us? It's not going to happen, trust me. Nobody is going to care about you, but you. When we point at somebody, how many fingers do you point at others? How many do you point at yourself? 3 lah. This one don't know, not sure yet. Right? 3 fingers bad enough. Often than not, we do not look at ourselves. Often we look at why it cannot be done. My husband is not supportive. My children, nobody is looking after. Right? My boss is not understanding. I have somebody that came to me one time during performance appraisal. I said, why aren't you going on certain program? I said, when was the last time you went on a certain training program? He's been in the company 10 years, and he told me, company never asked me. Well, very simple answer. When company did not ask you, it's because company could not see you. Many people love to stay under the radar, right? Oh, don't call me. When the boss walks past, don't see me. And that's what happened. When you stay under the radar, when you're not noticed, when you're not doing anything out of the ordinary, why should a company promote you? Why should a company look at grooming you? Am I right? Right? So the important thing is that if you don't ask, you don't get. It's the same thing like self-management, self-leadership. It's all about yourself. You have to want to decide on the first step. I won't go into too much detail because